Good morning, children. Let's start with the evaluation 2. So now we are done with evaluation 1. So we'll start with the first chapter of evaluation 2, that is chapter number 10, Hututu. Hututu. Hututu Hututu is nothing but the other name for the kabaddi. Okay. So there is a small poem written here, Hututu 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 Hututu. So this is the poem, Hututu 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 Hututu. Out, out, all the girls on one side shouted loudly. Hututu Hututu Hututu. Hold from here. Hututu Hututu, hold from the leg, the leg, the leg. Hold her leg. So children, this is the game of kabaddi. How do you tell them when somebody enters in your territory, in your side, then you say no? That the whole team shouts and they just want to got hold of that person who enters in your area, right? To hold the leg, hold the hand, yeah, like this. So let's start with the chapter. What are these girls doing? They are shouting out, out, out. They are shouting out, out, out. Yeah. Is it clear that they are playing a game? What do you call this game? It has many others name, various name. You have to underline. The other names are Chedduguddu, Hututu. Okay. And Chukit-kit, you can see a Chukit-kit, Hadudu or Kabaddi. Okay. So these are the names. What are the names? The names are the other name for the Kabaddi. They are Chedduguddu, Hututu, Chukit-kit, Hadudu or Kabaddi. When 6 girls surrounded Shyamala and caught her, everyone thought that she was out. Somebody caught her legs, somebody her arms, while one girl caught her by the waist. But Shyamala was not the one to give up. She was like, everybody is, like you can see, everybody is trying to tighten their grip and they were not letting her touch the center line. But she was not the one who wanted to give up. She said, no, I will touch the center line. And she dragged herself and managed to touch the line in the center. And as soon as she touched the line, all the persons who were holding her, they were all out. Right? So when Shyamala touched the line, all the girls of the opposite team were holding her. And so all of them got out. But Rosie argued that Shyamala had taken a breath in between. So the team was not out. Shyamala insisted that this was not true. She said that if she had taken a breath, then why did the girls keep holding her? There was a big argument and finally Shyamala won. Okay. So children, in this game of kabaddi, you have to hold your breath, you have to use your mind, you have to use your strength, right? So this is a game where the combinations are required, where you have to use your brain, you have to use your breath, you have to use your strength, everything, right? So using this game, you can learn different things, you can develop many skills. So this you have to solve, children. When you play kabaddi, how many players do you have in a team? How many players got out when Shyamala touched the line? Do you have ways to resolve dispute in the games? Like if somebody is fighting for anything, how will you resolve the game? How will you like sort out the fight? Okay. So here these 3 things you have to solve, these 3 questions. Now let's move to the game of kabaddi. So this is what a game of kabaddi is like. What is the game of kabaddi? Pushing and pulling, screaming and shouting, dragging and falling on the ground. It is a rough game, yet it has many rules. Yeah, children? So what is the game? It is quite a rough game, and in that pushing and pulling, screaming and shouting, dragging and falling on the ground. This all happens. So this is a rough game. It is a lot of fun and lot of exercise. Holding your breath while running and continuously saying kabaddi, 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 and also trying to touch the players of the opposite team. So many things to do in kabaddi, isn't it? You can do this as long as you can hold your breath. So here first thing is to hold your breath, right? Second, you have to go in the other team, then you have to touch everybody, and if you get caught, then you with your strength you have to come back using your brain. Now brain and strength, of course. It is lots of fun, isn't it? So this is a fun game. You need to use, now this is very interesting, you need to use both your body and mind in this game. You have to use your strength to pull or to stop the players. At the same time, you have to think about how to enter the other side. Okay, you have to decide whom to touch quickly and come back. Okay, and if you get caught, then how do you reach the line in the center? So these are the things which you have to decide. When you go in the other team, and you have to you have to keep holding your breath also, and then you have to use your brain whom to touch, who is weaker, who I can touch and run away and come back in my area, like this you have to use the brain. Okay, so let's do this activity. Try to hold your breath and keep saying kabaddi, 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 kabaddi. And now let me know how many times you can say kabaddi, 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 kabaddi in one breath. Will you do that? So after this video, you are going to tell me that how many times you could say kabaddi, 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 kabaddi without taking any breath. In one breath you have to say, isn't it? Will you do that? Yeah, just do it and let me know. How many times can you say it while you are playing kabaddi? Is there any difference? So, while you are playing, then also you have to say, and then you are when you are not playing, then also you have to just practice it. So, when you are not playing, then how many times you can say, that you have to see, and when you are playing, then how many times you can say, that also you have to see, right? So let's count how many times you can just say kabaddi, kabaddi in one breath. Yeah, and once you are done, and then we will move ahead, right?